All right, so it's okay if you like a little spice. What if you had delicious wings hidden under layers of some of the world's hottest peppers? The suicide wings challenge is a popular one at Ribby's. As a matter of fact, Anthony Miller sent Karine to do it a few years ago, and she ended up calling the police later that night. So here to tell us about the suicide wings challenge, directed at Ribby's, Kamal Banky. And we have two little man in the way. Do understand where they might get themselves. That's Kevoy right there. And that's the great Omawale. When I walked in the studio just now, I smelled the pepper from the door.
Yeah, I need some water.
Yeah.
I need some. I'm not doing the challenge. I need some water.
This is Kamal, by the way. Kamal, you do this at Ribby's?
Yeah, every week. Every Wednesday.
Why?
Every Wednesday is Wings Wednesday up at Ribby's Barbican.
Yeah.
And as a part of Wings Wednesday, you know, we do platters and all sorts of deals. And we have 10 lovely sauces that we sell. But we said, you know, let's do something different. You know, we watch Man vs. Food on Food Network, and I say, how can we build something, the Jamaican version of that? So we need to do a wings challenge. So we came up with this crazy idea of making some of the hottest wings in this country and then allowing people to do a challenge to finish them within 10 minutes, 12 wings within 10 minutes. That's it.
I notice you don't have any water or anything.
No, the rules are simple. Hands only. You can't wipe them off, you can't use any napkin, nothing like that. And once you take up water or milk, which are provided for you on the table, you forfeited the challenge.
Where you in, by the way?
Well, free wings, that's the first thing.
It's free.
It's free. Because if you don't finish it, you're going to have to pay for it, right? And then secondly, you win $5,000 worth of food and drinks that you can have at Ribby's that night or any other night.
That's the 3 plate, that is only 2 contests.
No, they told me you were going to try it.
Yeah, man, them can't tell you anything they want. Mouth make fit talk. So, them just go. And when them have to show the bone,
yeah, man, they have to clean the bone.
Yeah.
12 wings. But, I mean, I'm telling you, I really doubt it's going to happen. But
You ever done this?
the challenge?
Yeah.
You crazy?
Okay, all right.
I've had the wings,
Yeah.
but I've never done the challenge.
That's Omawale, and this is Kevoy Gordon, and Omawale Myrie. Question. You can give us a hint at what you put on it or no? All right, give me even one of the ingredients, one of the kinds of pepper.
Scotch bonnet is in there. Yeah, Scotch bonnet is in there.
Kevoy, you like pepper?
Not really.
Omawale?
Just a little.
Just a little.
Yeah.
What is it? Is that ready, set, go thing?
We need a stopwatch.
Well,
Because
we don't have.
All right,
we'll
but
give them 5
before they
minutes.
start, at Ribby's Barbican,
Yeah.
we always ask people to sign a disclaimer.
But they're
we're
on TV.
We're on live TV,
There's
so
a
it's fine.
disclaimer that.
So,
God, them
gentlemen, you have to tell everybody, Jamaica, who is watching, that you will not hold Ribby's or myself responsible if you are injured.
RTV, GS Smile Jamaica. Just say yes.
If you are injured in any way
Yeah.
by this challenge.
Agree?
I agree.
I agree.
I agree.
Excellent.
And I agree too. I agree, say, they must agree.
All right.
Hold on. The only thing I will say, because you know me is a fair person, I have liquor water close in case it look like they might pass out. We're going to go. All right, so we don't have 10 minutes. We're going to give them 4 minutes.
That's fine.
All right?
That's
4
fine.
good?
So
4
all I
good?
need to do is eat half of it.
There's so much in it.
It's 12 wings.
All right, so we're going to go 3.
No. Right, 3. Hold on, let me get the stopwatch out.
I'll give them 4 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes. All good.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Begin.
Music. Well, let me do some comments. So we started off with Kevoy and Omawale. Kevoy seems to be struggling. Omawale, not certain what's going on over there. Omawale does look like him hungry. We need to see the board. Kevoy can't even look up. Oh, man, you see it done? And ladies and gentlemen.
No, look, you see, that is illegal.
What is illegal?
Flashing off the sauce.
No, you can't flash off the sauce.
Flashing off the sauce.
It seems
this is why we have to have referees and umpires in
It
these.
seems like we have our first casualty. Omo, Wally. Eh? Omo? You good?
Go ahead.
Tissue. He wants tissue. Somebody tissue.
That means some win, right?
Win.
Omo, Wally, you done?
Yeah.
You done? Eh? Who your card? No, who your card? You done, Kevin? No, Kevin, same done.
He's still it. See, he's still going.
So, Omo, Wally done. Omo, Wally?
Don't wipe your face.
Omo, Wally, you gonna be all right? Kevin, you done? Kevin said no.
He's splashing off the.
You can't
He's
flash
splashing off the sauce. But all of us try to flash off. His body is telling him no.
Oh, God.
Omo, Wally, you all right?
No.
You alive?
I need some water.
Right time.
Eh, which time? What's
2
Kevin?
minutes. 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
All right, well,
No, that's what God already.
I can help you out. Let me help you out, my brother. Yeah, me help you out.
Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Anytime you're ready to give up, just draw for the milk. Anytime you're ready.
Now we'll look till the time done.
No, but that don't mean you win.
I make me win.
Whoa! I like it. No, man, draw for that, yes, man.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
All right.
Yes, it's over. It's over.
It's over.
It's over.
And
Yes,
we
it's
don't
over.
have a winner.
No, in typical fashion, good sense prevailed, and they've finished trying to complete the challenge. And milk has been administered, and it will help. It will help. It will help.
Okay, boy. Yeah,
It will
right?
help.
More milk.
I say more milk. Get why I say more milk. More milk.
I apologize. I apologize.
You don't need to apologize.
For what may happen later.
More milk.
Right
Say more milk. Well, is there a bathroom close? What do you want to know?
No, but we want to hear comments from them about how it was. Like.
I don't think. I'm a
Yes.
How was it?
Peppery.
Come on, you're bad again.
I can't feel my face.
Come on, say you can't feel him face.
You know, napkin.
Can you, I know you do this at Ribby's, does that mean you can't tell us the peppers that you use?
No, it's a special blend. Special blend.
But you can't tell it?
No, I can't tell you. You just have to come try it. And hopefully you'll fare better than these gentlemen. So.
That was... Come on, you good? Hold this, my brother. Tissue, more tissue. I think we're going to need some toilet paper to pretty soon.
No, I'm going to do that again.
Go on again, my brother.
Yeah, just leave it there for them.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
No, man. Man, I want my mouth.
All right. Come on, good to see you.
Yeah, man.
My brother. I feel... Well, I feel it's a last challenge, Kevin, when you get involved in life. Kevin Gordon, Omawale Myrie, and director at Ribby's, Kamal Banky. We soon come. Whew. May I eat the rest of it?